Welcome back to Out of Work Actress. I'm Mary Kay, and in this video I'm going to show you a really quick trick that I have been using for a long time to keep all the stuff that's on the floor in a yoga studio or in your home space, bacteria, mold, viruses, sweat, dirt, dust, insects, whatever else people track in from getting onto your body via your yoga mat. This is just a way of keeping you a little bit safer doing your yoga practice. The first thing you have to do is designate one side of your mat to be always touching the floor and one side of the mat to always be touching your body. Really easy to do if you have a mat that has two different colored sides like mine does. The gray side goes down and touches the floor, and the green side always faces up. If your yoga mat is the same color on both sides, just make a little X up in the corner on one side. And then you just decide, okay, the side with the X on it will always be down on the floor, and the side without the X will be facing up. Now that we know which side of the mat will be up and which side of the mat will be down, you just roll the mat up a different way. Let me show you. In a public yoga studio, you have no idea what's on the floor. I see people drip buckets of sweat and walk around in it in their bare feet. You just want to try to avoid all that stuff as much as possible. So what we normally do when we're done practicing yoga is start from the bottom and roll the mat up. But when you do that, the side that's touching the floor then gets rolled up on top of the side that touches your skin. And that's what we want to try to avoid. So here's what we'll do instead. We're going to fold the mat in half first, so that the side that touches your skin is always kept inside and isn't touching outside surfaces. Then you roll it up into your nice little roll from there. And yeah, it will make a little crease in the center of your mat, but it doesn't really matter. Once you get the mat laid out and you start doing your practice, that just flattens right out. I've been doing yoga for years, and having that little crease in there really doesn't make a difference at all. That's it. Thanks for watching.